Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me back here today. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make my Caribbean style shrimp ceviche at home. And guys, this one is so quick, simple, and it's delicious. So come on, let's go. And so for my shrimp ceviche, this recipe is going to be really quick. It will not be a long one. These are all the ingredients that we are going to need for our shrimp ceviche. And I have here about a pound of cooked shrimp, which I went ahead and I cut up in small pieces. Half of a red onion, 1 tomato, half of a cucumber. I have here also 4 limes, a bunch of cilantro, guys. Please don't forget the cilantro. It's very important for this recipe. And for my Caribbean twist, I'm going to use my Scotch bonnet pepper. If you do not have Scotch bonnet pepper and you can find the Scotch bonnet powder, you can go ahead and use that. Use it very sparingly, guys, because it's very, very potent. It's very strong. And also, I have an avocado for my shrimp ceviche. That's totally optional. And you can also go ahead and use chopped up mango or chopped up pineapple for this recipe also. It works really, really well. I'm a big fan of avocado. I have an avocado every day. So I'm going to use an avocado today. And that's it, guys. This is how simple and easy it is to make the shrimp ceviche. And I already went ahead and I just cut up all my vegetables for the sake of this video because I did not want it to be a super long one. Okay, guys, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get my shrimp and just place it in my bowl. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add my red onions, my tomato, my cucumber, cilantro, and I just always like to chop up my herbs last, guys, because I want it to be as fresh as possible when I put it in my salad, and it smells so good, guys. So this is a tip from me to you. Just go ahead and cut your herbs, whatever herbs it is you're using for any recipe. Cut it as you are going to use it. You don't want to chop it up and then leave it sitting until you're ready to use it. I find it's the freshest and it gives you the best aroma when you cut it up and slice it up as you need it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my cilantro and just dump it in here. Okay, guys, and for my island twist, I'm going to go in with my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to try to not let my hands touch my pepper, so I'm just cutting it at the ends. I'm just making several slits so then that way I can chop it up. And I'm not going to be using a lot of the Scotch bonnet pepper because I'll be serving this to my son. So if you know it's just adults, go ahead and use according to taste, guys. But if you're going to serve to the kiddos, you can skip the Scotch bonnet pepper or the jalapeno. Most times I use jalapenos for my shrimp ceviche, but as I said earlier, we're going to do a Caribbean style shrimp ceviche today, so we are going to go ahead and use our Scotch bonnet pepper. And I think this is enough pepper. I don't think I'll be needing more than this. This is about a 1/4 tablespoon. Place it in here. And I'm just avoiding just touching it, guys, because so if you're going to be handling it, please go ahead and put on some gloves. Limes, and I'm using 4 large limes. Salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt. And we just mix it up, guys. This is how simple this is to make. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. Add some more salt. And it's not too spicy. I'm going to go in with some of my Scotch bonnet pepper powder. And guys, if this one's sparingly, because this one is really, really spicy. And that's it, guys. Easy, simple, and quick. That's my avocado. Now we're just going to toss this in. And that's it, guys. This is how quick and easy it is to make my Caribbean style shrimp ceviche. Quick, easy, simple. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how I make my Caribbean style shrimp ceviche at home. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more flavorful videos. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.